Hello, Master Manifestors. Welcome back to MethodMuse, where we talk about science-based manifestation methods and concepts. Today, we're talking about the rolling release method for forgiveness. Now, forgiving others isn't a free pass for them to be back in your life. It's meant to free energy for your manifestations. So let's talk about why it feels difficult to forgive. Basically, it's like a balance buffer, right? So both both revenge and forgiveness are both trying to balance something. Forgiveness is trying to do it from the inside. Revenge or retribution or even justice is trying to balance things from the outside. Now, in my opinion, justice is the best possible outcome for everyone. That's like the best thing that could be, because anything else is just more violence, more destruction of the situation. But in forgiveness, that doesn't mean that we say they don't have responsibility or that we were not injured. That's not the point. The point is to let go of the narrative. And the rolling release method is an emotional forgiveness method for, it's not a one and done decision. It's a recurring process. You repeatedly release those emotions as they surface. You don't even have to go looking for them. As soon as it comes into your mind, you just imagine like it's a wave, like it's just washing out to sea, but you want to witness the wave. You want to see it very carefully, exactly what it feels like, exactly what it's doing. And you need to understand whether or not you're willing to be flexible in your boundaries to let someone still be in your life if they've injured you. And it really depends on the degree of which you've decided they've injured you and if they're going to do it again. So you need to understand you can't change other people. That is not the point. Changing them, making them think something, that's all validation. That's not what master manifestors do. They don't chase people down and try to force things out of them. The forgiveness is for you because it frees your mind. It frees your mental processes. It frees your narratives to be focused on abundance and not the scarcity of pain. So you can forgive someone and still, keep them away from you. You don't have to be around them. And you just say, hey, I understand that they are a system like I am a system. They are running their automated process like I am running my automated processes. They are just as complex as me and possibly not as aware. Most people are not very aware. Most people live in their emotions. Most people can't actually look at them. They feel like they have to deal with them in the physical because they don't understand how to truly deeply feel them and acknowledge them and notice them and release. So this rolling release is emotional release for forgiveness. Every time you think about being angry about what they did, let that anger be there. Let the sadness, let the grief be there. It's uncomfortable, yes, but sit with it. The discomfort will release and watch it roll out like a wave. I hope this has helped you understand how to recognize forgiveness versus revenge. And I hope the rolling release method helps you learn to forgive so you can release your energy and manifest the life you desire. Thank you for listening. Please like, subscribe, and sign up for the MethodMuse newsletter in the description below.